Sakhar.
I'm Munazzab Harijo.
And I'm Noor Bibi. And our supervisor is Ma'am Ganesh. Our problem is how to develop electronic security alarm system to enhance security and facilitate the security guard profession. This project is ELDA, which detects an optical line provided by a laser beam.
This laser light is small in size and less visible to the intruders. It creates a narrow converging beam of light. We use PC547 transistor as a switch, and LDR is connected to the transistor and use base resistor to limit the current, otherwise the transistor will damage and LED will blow up. When the laser light is allowed to pass on LDR, the resistance offered by LDR is too low. When any object makes a blow to the continuous flow of laser light, the signal gets locked and the resistance increases and the transistor will on and the buzzer beats the sound. I'm going to show you an example like the car is coming between the LDR and laser, so the buzzer beats the sound. When I try to remove it, so the sound producing is off.
The advantage of this circuit is it cannot give electric shock and it is cost effective, and we can use this circuit in hospitals, museums, archaeological places and especially in schools.